You are not afraid of failing. You are afraid of being seen, trying to do something and being seen failing at it. Failing in private, that's manageable. Disappointing, but manageable. But trying in public is a very different matter because it exposes you right from the beginning. It exposes you when you're not fully confident, when you're still trying to figure things out. And that's where the discomfort is. Not in the outcome, but in how you will be perceived as you attempt to reach the outcome. You don't want to look inexperienced. You don't want people to know that you're not getting it right immediately. So, instead of just starting, you wait and begin to prepare. You think about it. You plan it. You attempt to refine it repeatedly. You tell yourself that you're being careful, not jumping into things. But what you're really doing is delaying the exposure. You are staying in a position where your ability will not be tested, but it comes at a cost. Because the longer you stay here, the more normal the not starting process becomes. It just becomes one more moment of procrastination. And it is not because you can't be successful or you won't be successful. You want to avoid being seen failing. So what you are scared of is not failure, it's visibility. So do something for yourself today. Pick up just one thing that you've been postponing and just do it. Do a small part of it if you wish, but don't think about it. Just do it. Don't do it to get it right. Do it to start teaching yourself how not to hide. Because once you've been seen doing it, that pattern shall eventually break.